Now in a choice sachet.
Ayan yung magmukhang napalit. Tama sa mukha yan eh.
2,000 pesos worth of gas gives you a chance to win instant prize. Take home cars, motorcycles, and more in the grand.
Paano niya ako masira ang t-shirt niya ng konting mancha? Hindi, no? Kaya ang gamit ko ay
Very good ah. Ba't ako binabato mo?
malinis mo ang bago ang popstar ko.
Vaseline Men Face Scrub instantly removes oil.
Mahina lang.
Nakasampay.
Dark spots.
Mulakasan.
Vaseline Men, now in a 6 peso sachet.
Duling.
I like it too because it's sexy. Legit sexy. Full of nutrients. Prebio-free, lactobacillus protectus, and DHA.
Hello.
It's way more than we paid for. Free sauce. Sexy. See the difference from Nestle.
Introducing new Dove Hair Care with superior moisturization. It gives you 99% smoother and softer hair. That's why Dove is loved by millions of women around the world. New Dove Hair Care, now in the Philippines.
The condition of sensitivity is ongoing. The pain will come up at any time unless you do something about it. I would recommend using the new Sensodyne twice a day, every week, so you'll have lasting protection all day. Hot and cold generally stimulate sensitivity. When the coldness gets into the tubules, the local tube, it gets the nerve going, and causes a short, sharp pain. The active ingredient in Sensodyne works inside the tube to help relieve the sensitivity.
Aray.
And give you continuous
Hazel crackers, more naman, kaya more enjoy the fun, in more winter one.
Oy, anak, baka tamaan mo yung Mama Mary.
Ay, pala anak ko, delikado.
Crackers doesn't stand as a